So what you doing today?
Going to White Rock! So today we are going to White Rock. We're taking a day off. White Rock is like a little seaside town. It's about 40 minutes away from campus. There's lots of like cute little coffee shops. There's ice cream. There's great opportunities for pictures. So yeah, come along for the ride. White Rock! Ow!
Okay, so this is the White. It's an awesome place to get some coffee. It's right by the water. So
Their mediums
it's a
are
good
really
hang.
big, so that's
Yeah,
great.
so we're all a very caffeinated group today.
White Rock has to be named after something, so we're going to the literal White Rock.
After an extensive search of this beach, we actually found the White Rock. Here it is.
So we're getting fish and chips for lunch. This is legendary fish and chips in White Rock. Some would say the best. I would say the best.
I have cookies and cream,
Banana fudge.
chocolate chip, blueberry, lemon tart. We're headed back to Trinity now. We had an awesome day. Just finished up having some ice cream here on the pier. And so yeah, we're headed home and we hope that you enjoyed following on with our adventure.